to create an Odoo account. First, go to www.odoo.com. Choose your apps. Hanapin po natin yung accounting. Then, kung makikita po natin, ang accounting po ay free with unlimited users forever. Ayan, so gawa po tayo ng account, first and last name, email address, company name. So, lalagay ko po dito ay sample only. Then, company size. Ako po nilalagay ko dito is less than 5. Hindi po ako naglalagay ng cellphone number. Then, primary interest, use it in my company. Then, start now. Ayan, nag-welcome na po si Odoo. Building your accounting.
Disclaimer. The information provided is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as professional advice. The interpretation is based on my knowledge and my of working experience as an accountant. I am not connected and not endorsing Odoo. I am just one of the users of Odoo.